So with the M1 Owner's Rewards credit card, it is basically a rewards credit card where rewards are invested instead of spent. So most credit card rewards add up to be spent on consumer purchases, which are usually dead money. Maybe you buy a shirt or a Christmas gift for somebody and it kind of goes nowhere after that. This credit card earns you money that can be automatically invested. Plus, you can earn up to 10% rewards when you support participating companies that you own shares of. So it's basically a credit card that integrates directly with your M1 portfolio. All purchases are going to earn a standard 1.5% cash back. However, purchases with participating companies where you also own shares of them within an M1 Invest account can earn 2.5, 5, or 10% cash back, and the monthly reward limit is $200. Do keep in mind here that the monthly limit is $200 on those rewards, and you do have to have an active M1 Plus subscription in order to apply for this card. Now, there is an annual fee of $95 associated with this credit card. However, if you have an active M1 Plus account, they're going to reimburse that back to you. So now let's cover some of those participating companies. In the 10% cashback category, you have AMC, which is a favorite among many retail investors. I myself am also a shareholder in AMC Ape, so that's pretty awesome to see that on here, as well as GameStop, Tesla, Netflix, and more. If you shop with these companies and you want to or already own shares of them, you could be earning 10% cash back on your purchases, which would then be invested back into your portfolio. The 5% category includes brands like Starbucks, Nike, Chipotle, FedEx, and then the 2.5% cashback category includes Apple, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and more. So this isn't just like random brands that people don't really use. These are places that most of us are shopping at every single week. And if you own shares of them and you want to use this credit card, you could earn that really awesome cash back, which can automatically be reinvested. Now, do keep in mind, however, that this is still a credit card, and credit cards are designed to take money out of your pocket in the form of interest. So if you do decide to utilize this, I would certainly recommend that you pay off your balance in full every single month to avoid paying interest entirely. So you would essentially just be getting the free rewards bonus points invested back into your portfolio without having to worry about paying interest to the credit card company. There's also no set rule on what is considered to be a shareholder, and since M1 Finance offers fractional shares, it's really easy to qualify for this if you decide to use the Owner's Rewards credit card. So for example, you could theoretically own 1/100th of a share of Walmart, which would cost you somewhere around $1 to $2, and then earn the same cash back using your credit card. You still count as a Walmart shareholder, even though it's just a fractional share, which is pretty cool. So there's definitely a lot of opportunities for rewards hacking with this credit card. I personally don't do that as much myself just because it's not the best use of my time, but I know a lot of people are into that. So it is something that you might be interested in.